Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is a quick update on what's going on my channel. I've had COVID for like 2.5 weeks and had it before Christmas, and I've been trying to get over it, but it stopped me from doing stuff with cars, etc. I am supposed to be sorting the slam panel on the C1, which was my last video, but you know, I picked that up and it took me ages to shake it off, and I still don't feel brilliant now. But I've been off work, and obviously we had Christmas, and the weather's been terrible as well. Just before Christmas, when I was actually going to do some work, it decided to snow. I'll insert that video here. Well, I was going to start work on the car this morning, but I'll show you why I can't. We had a lot of snow last night, or should I say early this morning, so I brought the dog out. It's quite picturesque. I don't fancy leaning down, clearing the snow away to get at the slam panel this morning, so I will rejoin when there's a bit less snow, or possibly do it in the snow, who knows. As you can see, there was quite a lot of snow, so the car was just completely covered. And then of course I got COVID, so I haven't been able to do anything, and it's took me weeks just to even decide to come in this shed. It's really windy out, really damp, and I haven't been in the shed that long, and my floor seems to be leaking. I've just put the bumper in. I've just given all my cars a bit of a engine run on all of them, but I'm just doing a bit of work on my pull cord. But yeah, that's it really. I'm not doing anything really. I'm still off work, but I'm going back Friday, hopefully, if they let me. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully my next video will be Jesus Christ, it's windy. I have got my heat on in here, but you wouldn't think so. It's that bloody cold out. Yeah, so hopefully my next video will be me working back on the Citroen. I'm just so bored to death of being in a house. I know everyone's in lockdown, so we're pretty much all doing the same, but being in lockdown is one thing, but being ill at the same time, and you're left on death's door on your sofa for ages, it's not nice. So I sympathise with anybody that's picked it up and had to deal with it. So yeah, so that's where I am at the moment, but I hope everybody else is well, and I look forward to my next video being uploaded, because it's been a while. But thankfully we still have some subscribers subscribing, and my channel seems to be still being watched, so that's good. But yeah, thank you for continuing to view, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.